And now, a special message from the Queensland Government.
Are you someone in Queensland considering doing a murder? Were you planning on using gay panic as a defence in court? Well, then it's important you know about some changes coming to Queensland law. Starting from March this year, the Criminal Law Amendment Bill passed by Queensland Parliament will mean that defendants can no longer claim an unwanted homosexual advance sufficiently provoke them into killing someone.
But what does that mean for me?
If a homosexual comes onto you and you feel the urge to murder rising, you won't be able to get a lighter sentence just because you are feeling a little threatened. But don't worry, murderous homophobes. Applicable gay panic case law still applies in South Australia.
No shit, this was legitimately a thing up until this week. Like, it was a viable way to get your murder charges downgraded to manslaughter in Queensland.
And this wasn't some obscure, archaic, unused case law. This came up in a trial in 2009, and 2 men accused of murder were then charged with manslaughter.
And it's interesting that there aren't straight panic laws, even though the person most likely to murder a woman would be a straight man. It's almost like there's some sort of institutionalized bias against women and gays. And yes, it's good this legal loophole is now closed in Queensland, albeit a bit late. But it did remind me of some other obscure laws.
Like in WA, where it's illegal for a person to have more than 50 kilos of potatoes on them.
How are you gonna make a big bowl of chips, you Western Australians?
Or how in South Australia, you can't have a fridge bigger than 42.5 litres.
I bet they'd struggle to find fridge space at a house party because the fridges are small.
Or like how in Victoria, unauthorised rainmaking activity is illegal.
Take that, Professor Pandemonium. Your weather machine is illegal. You know, these seem very silly compared to the gay panic laws. That shit's messed up. Anyway, makes you wonder, like 50 years from now, what other kinds of laws will Australians find weird and archaic?